Today when I was out driving around to the store, I saw this big giant field of sunflowers across the road. So I'm planning to go and show it to you right now. It's been raining all day, so it might be a little wet, but Rick's gonna take me down there and we're gonna walk through the field a little bit if we can. All right, let's go.
Field of dreams.
Hey Rick, you can't wait to see the sunflowers, huh? So it looks like it's on the St. Luke's property, right?
Yes.
But I want to see if we can get close to it. Oh good, we're going to go up and see. Just look at all those sunflower faces.
Crazy.
Oh, wow.
See that sign? This is organic farm.
Oh, see the organic farm. Oh, it's from the Rodale Institute. This is really cool. Look at these fields and fields of sunflowers. Oh, they're all facing that way. Right, here we are at the organic sunflower garden.
Smells good.
Isn't it beautiful? It's so much yellow and healthy looking plants. We're going to take a walk through there.
Look at that.
Now look towards the faces.
Oh, that's a big old
Aren't
picture.
they beautiful? Oh, this is fun. Rick has the camera on a tripod high above his head.
Wow. Where's the seeds? Can we eat them yet?
Not yet. Look, there's one with a bee on it. Pollinating.
Let it be.
See it?
A lot of bees. Oh, a lot of bees. See? Wow.
Oh, they do smell good.
You can smell them without smelling them.
Yeah,
On and on and on and on.
I know. Neat, isn't it?
Yeah. Don't turn your back on me. Be like these guys. Pay attention. About face.
Hey, so thanks for joining us today to check out the sunflower patch at the St. Luke's area of Route 33. It's really beautiful, and I'm glad we had a chance to show it to you before the sun went down. Thanks for joining us. Catch you later.
Watch the bees.